Okay everyone, thanks for joining in tonight's break. It's the 13-14 Panini Totally Certified. The last team that ended tonight was the Winnipeg Jets, March 10th at 8:59. The box serial number 206659462. And the current time is Monday, March 10th at 9:30. So, 206659462. Alright, it is a sealed box. There's a case break of this, guys, next week. It'll be on Wednesday night. Great Nailers Timos for sale through my website, capercards.com. There's also a case break of Dominion posted on there that will be happening this Thursday. And the new Crown Royal comes out on Wednesday, so I'm going to upload a case break of that tomorrow night, which will end Wednesday night. And if everything goes on schedule and my stuff shows up on time, there's no bad weather or nothing, the break will go Wednesday night, like right after the auction, and I'll be uploading. Base. We got the blue rookie parallel for the Florida Panthers, Quentin Howden. It's numbered 7/50. Autograph rookie jersey for the Dallas Stars, Jack Campbell. And base. Blue parallel for the Anaheim Ducks, Francois Beauchemin. Rookie for the Ducks, Victor Fast. Autograph rookie for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Sean Collins. And we have clear cloth, prime, 2-color, Phoenix Coyotes, Shane Doan. It's numbered 16/25. And the base. Rookie for the Colorado Avalanche, Calvin Picard. And certified jersey for the Anaheim Ducks, Corey Perry. Rookie for the Buffalo Sabres, Zadorov. And rookie roll call for the Ducks, Hampus Lindholm. And the base. So, same stuff on for tomorrow, guys. Just 2 boxes. Wednesday night, I'll be adding the Crown Royal case to it, and then I'll be starting singles of Crown Royal. And I'll just keep going with Dominion for a while anyway. So, anyway, thanks, guys. Have a good night.